Hi everyone, this is a house, but let's look inside. It's so excited. We open this up. This is the light and another light. And ito ang ganito. Parang pang shade ng ano ba yun? Ng window. Tsaka, ito na yun. Ito yung ano ba yun? Bedroom, bed, may bed, mirror, tsaka table. Table, chair, and a TV. But the exciting part. Here, this is the toilet. Over here. Did you see? Toilet. And this is panghugas ng kamay. Tsaka, ito yung roof. Tsaka ito yung bedroom. It have a bed and a table with a mirror. Wait. Sorry everyone. Sabihan mo yung mama ko. Kasi ang kulit-kulit niya eh. Tsaka to ang barriers para hindi humulog ang person. Balik ko na to dito. Look, just push it back like this one, like that. Push it. And look at this. Wala sa kabilang TV. Tsaka to yung light over here. Tsaka to yung shape ng window. Tsaka to ang light. Oh, something fell. Tsaka to yung roof. Tsaka to pang internet. Tsaka nakakonect sa TV na to. It's so cool, huh? Okay. Tsaka just put it on top like this. Wait. Just put it on the top like perfectly smooth. Really. I'm gonna check this. Connect it up.
Robbie, tigilan mo na yan.
Got it. And this is our new home. We have a door and a window. See?
Robbie, kunin mo yung wire ng charger ko. Yung kulay black na mahaba.
See? Wait lang. Bye-bye. See you next time. Make ako video next time.
Ito si Robbie.
Bye.
Oh!